So what are the bicyclo compounds means? Compounds with two rings in which both attach with two carbon atoms. Bicyclo compounds are the compounds in which two rings are there. They attached with two carbon atoms are the bicyclo compounds. So you can take these compounds as bicyclo compounds. So this kind of compounds are present. So what are these bicyclo compounds? If you observe how many cycles are there means this is one ring, this is one ring, this is one ring, this is one ring, this is one ring and this is one ring. So this is what means. Let me show you one thing. From that you can easily understand. So see, in this case, you can observe this. You can see the two rings. For me, your right side is one ring and left is one ring. For you people, this is one ring. This is on this side. For the right side is one ring and this side on the other rings are there. You can see very clearly. Two rings you can see. Once, if this goes to top. So see now. How you can see this? You can see that this is one ring and this is other ring. So this is just a bridge one. That is what it is happening here. If you see normally this is the compound, bicyclo compound you are having. Because of the steric strain it goes to the top and it gives you a structure like this. From this side you see means that is one ring. From this side you see means that is another ring. Or simply you can have this structure also. Like this you can have the bicyclo. This one only, but you can write it like these things. When there is no carbon atom on the thing means it will be fixed as it is. As the carbon atoms increases, it's not possible to hold them in the same ring. So that's why it will jump to the top and you can see like this. Here you see 1, 2, 3 rings you can see. But actually it is the false cutting is there. This is one ring you can see and this side you can see the other ring. When it is like this means it's a false cutting which will coming on this thing. That's why it is not possible for you and it gives you a misinterpretation that there are 3 rings are present. So be careful with this thing. So let us get into the topic. See here. Whenever these kind of things are there, this side it is one ring. You can imagine the things. This is one ring and the other side is one ring. This is the front line which is cutting this one. That's why this gives you an impression of 3 rings. Now let us see how to name the bicyclo compounds. Always bicyclo compounds root word is written. Always bicyclo compounds root word is written. What is the root word for this thing means? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. Heads. For this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. Actually both are same. I will put a substituent here. So heads. For this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 means oct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are there means hept will come. For this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means noun will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are there. So for this also you can write down no. But that is a different thing. This is a different thing. So the root word is written. So the first thing is root word is written as it is. Next one, before root word, the number of carbon atoms in each ring is represented in square brackets in descending order. This is very important one. Before root word, the number of carbon atoms in each ring is represented in square brackets in descending order. So here you see heads. This ring is having, this is one ring which is having 2 carbon atoms. This is another ring which is having the 2 carbon atoms, and this you see bridge head. Is there any carbon atom on the bridge head? Means nothing is there. So 0. Always remember, don't count bridged carbon atoms during writing parenthesis carbons. So before the root word, you have to write number of carbon atoms on each side in the decreasing order. Here 2, 2, and on the bridge carbon atoms 0 are there. So you can write the number as 2, 2, 0. In this case, you can write in brackets this side 1 and 2. Only in the main chain you have to consider. This side 2 are there, this side 2 are there. On this thing 0 is there. So 2, 2, 0. This case 1, 2, 2 are there. This case 2 are there. This case also 2 are there. So that's why 2, 2, 2. In this case 2, 2, 1. So you can write it as 2, 2, 1 will come. In this case 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. So you can write it as 3, 2, 2. In this case 3, 3, 1. 3, 3, 1 will come. So the second step is write number of carbon atoms in each portion. Here you see this is the left portion, this is the right portion, and this is the bridged portion. You count number of carbon atoms in each portion and write them in square brackets before the root word, and you have to write the number in the descending order. Remember, in bicyclo compounds we will write in the descending order. Next, let us move to the next thing. Write remaining name as it is. Write remaining name as it is in case of other compounds. Write naming as it is in case of other compounds. You can write a resulting thing. It is a bicyclo, right? Bicyclohexane. Bicyclo 2, 2, 0 hexane. Here substituent is methyl is there. So that's why numbering comes here. What is numbering? I will tell you later. This one is bicyclo 2, 2, 2 octane will come. Here also same thing. Bicyclo 2, 2, 1 heptane will come. This one also bicyclonone. This one also bicyclo 331. Like that you can name as it is, but some exception is there. You see, numbering is important, my here. Always numbering starts from bridged carbon. Always numbering starts from bridged carbon and goes along large chain and goes along large ring and comes to small ring and comes to very small ring. And see, always numbering starts from bridged carbon and goes along large ring and comes to small ring and comes to very small ring. All functional groups are considered as secondary prefixes. This is the important thing in case of bicyclo and spiro compounds. In bicyclo and then spiro compounds, all functional groups, there is no main functional group. Everything will be a secondary prefix only. So that is very, very important. Numbering also, there is no priority order following. Simply this is the order. Always start at bridge carbon, go along the large chain and come to the small chain. I will tell you in some examples how to name them. So numbering is the main thing. Starts at the bridge head, goes along the large ring and comes to the small ring. That is the important thing, and there is no substituents and no priority rules are followed in case of bicyclo and then spiro compounds. Hope we have taken these things. Let me give you some examples for this numbering. So let me tell you this one. Here CHO is there. Here OH is there. COOH, CH3. Like this is there. How to number them means see. Always numbering starts at the bridge head. So this is the bridge head. This is the bridged carbon. Always numbering starts at bridged carbon. So here you start 1. Goes along the large chain. Here you see 2 carbons, 1 carbon, 3 carbons. So it starts here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this it will go. Here you see, if you start from here means this is getting 7. If you start from this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. Now which is considered means this red color number is considered. So you can alter the numbering in such a way that the functional group gets the least locus point, but you should not alter the process of numbering. Whatever the functional group is there, all of them as considered as substituents, and you have to continue numbering. In this case, numbering should start from bridge head. So this is bridge head 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 will come. So started at bridge head 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 will come and 11 will come. This is the least possible way. If you can start from this numbering means it will get 11, but you should make sure that it will be getting the minimum. In this case you see You should start numbering from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 will come. Like this you have to number irrespective of the substituent. Always all the functional groups on the bicyclo compounds are treated as substituents. Numbering starts from bridgehead, goes along the large chain, comes to small chain, and then comes to very small chain. That is the thing you have to be very careful about. Anything, there is no rules are followed in case of bicyclo. Whatever the rule is given here, that is only followed. That is the thing. Now let us see the name of this one. Bicyclo. This is a formyl, so it will be 6-formyl bicyclo. This side 1, 2, 3 are there, 2 are there, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. How many carbons are there means? Always remember the bridgeheads we didn't count here. So 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 8. Octane. Finished. 6-formyl bicyclo octane. This one will be 10-hydroxy. This one will be 10-hydroxy bicyclo. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. 1, 2, 3 are there. This side 2 are there. 4, 3, 2. And again will come. Actually, you should not use caps here. Bicyclo. In this case, it will be carboxylic acid and methyl. Which comes first in alphabetical order means carboxyl. 7-carboxy 2-methyl bicyclo 2, 2, 1 heptane. Like this you can name the bicyclo compound. So be careful with bicyclo compounds. Even spiro compounds also numbering follows the same thing, but there is a different rule to number. Substituents are not considered. Whoever substituent is there, it is taken as a, or whoever, whatever functional group is there, it is taken as a substituent and numbering is given. Like this we can name the bicyclo compounds. Go through this. Like this, any compound let them give you, you can write this one. I will give you some compounds and you practice the names of them. For these compounds, you can practice writing the names. So always, mostly for the mains level, they will ask you up to the extent of parenthesis thing only. If you go to the advanced level means they can concentrate on the substituents and they will be asking you. So like this, we can name the bicyclo compounds. Hope you have taken this thing. Let us move to the spiro compounds. So what are the spiro compounds means? Compounds with two rings which connected by same carbon atom. Spiro compounds means compounds in which two rings are there and they are connected by the same carbon atoms. So see all these compounds. So see here, every compound is having two rings and both all of them are connected with the same carbon atom. So how to name these things means, see, right root word, before root word, number of carbon atoms in every ring is written in square brackets in increasing order. This is the exception in the spiro compounds. Before root word, number of carbon atoms in every ring is written in square brackets in increasing order. In bicyclo compounds, we will write in decreasing order, but in spiro compounds, we will write in increasing order. Next, numbering. How numbering starts means, always numbering starts at carbon next to spirocarbon, goes along small ring and comes to large ring. So always numbering starts at carbon next to spirocarbon, goes along the small ring and comes to large ring. And finally, all functional groups are substituents. All functional groups are substituents. All functional groups are substituents. See, these are the compounds we are having. How to name them means, see. Let us start with this one. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are there. So it is nonane. What nonane? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, 4. Spiro 4, 4 nonane. This one is spiro 2, 2 pentane. This one is spiro 3, 3 heptane. This one is 1, 2. This is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be spiro 2, 5 or 5, 2. You have to write in increasing order. 2, 5 octane. This one is 4, 2. Spiro 4, 2 heptane. This one is 4, 5. Spiro 4, 5 decane. This one is spiro this is 2, this is 4, 2 comma 4, 10. Like this, we can write the names of these compounds. So whenever there is the compound, the numbering, let us see. Numbering starts at the carbon next to spiro. This carbon is known as spirocarbon. So numbering starts next to the spirocarbon, goes along the small ring. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 will come. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 will come. Now see this one. This is the small ring. So 1, you have to make sure that you can start from 1 here or from 1 here. But substituent should get the least priority. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can go 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Carboxylic acid should get the first priority. Like this you can number them. In this case also you can start 1, you can start here or you can start, but substituent should get the first priority. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 will come. You can start 4 here also, but carboxylic acid should get the first priority. That's why we will move along this side. Like this, whenever the spiro compounds are there and bicyclo compounds are there, we can name like this. Now let us see what is the name of this one means. Full name is, this is 4. Cyanide is there means the substituent we call them as cyano, we call them as. So that's why it will be methyl carboxy, and cyano means the name will be 4 carboxy 7 cyano 1 methyl will come. 4 carboxy 7 cyano 1 methyl will come. This case it will be amino. 1 amino 7 carboxy 9 formyl spiro 4,5 decane will come. Like this you can name the compound. So be careful with this thing. For bicyclo and spiro compounds, the naming procedure will be same, but the numbering will be different. In case of bicyclo and spiro compounds, the functional groups are considered as the substituents. There will be mostly no secondary suffix in case of these compounds. Like this, we can study about the naming of exceptional compounds, side chain compounds, bicyclo compounds, and then spiro compounds. And aromatic compounds is there, benzene substituent are there. In the next video I will explain how to name the aromatic compounds, and in that video only I will explain some examples. If you want any solved examples on these things, or if you want any worksheets, means as I mentioned already, I have given one link in the description box for this video. Through that link you can join that WhatsApp group where I will provide you enormous assignments. Any doubts are there also, I will solve you people. Don't think it is a money will be there. It is free of charge only. You can join for the further assignments. Go through these things.